Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I'm not really sure what this video is going to entail, but I'm off work today. I've got loads to do, so I thought I might as well just pick up the camera and vlog it. I guess first thing is first, I'm going to have a shave because although it's not a very impressive looking beard, it is a bit rough and ragged. I'm going to have a shave, cut my toe and fingernails, have a shower, brush my teeth, have some breakfast, get all that, you know, stuff out of the way, and then I think I'm gonna go pick up my granddad and take him shopping, and then I guess I'll see you guys when I'm back, I think. Oh, I also want to go and see if I can get another car key cut for my Corsa. So this is the only key that I have right now, which is like actually the spare key. You're supposed to get another key with it, with like buttons on, you know, to unlock and lock the doors and whatever. You know, my car only came with one, so obviously the original owner lost the main one. So I've bought another one, like a flip key one. I've bought the chip and the battery and everything. I'm just waiting for the immobilizer, but in the meantime I need to try and get the blade on the flip key cut to the same as that, so I need to try and find somewhere that will cut it. So yeah, I don't know when I'll next pick up the camera, but hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a like, leave a comment if you want so far, but nothing much has happened, so yeah, maybe leave a comment like, this is a great video, thanks for making it, George. Right, yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit anyway. Is this gonna work? Alright then guys, so right now I'm actually stuck in traffic, so I know I haven't checked in like the past few hours or whatever, but it's like 4:30 now. So earlier on I obviously had a shave. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, I cleaned up my beard, cut all my nails and whatever, I had a shower and all that. I went and took my granddad shopping, went back to his house, had some dinner there, had like a steak, some homemade chips, corn and peas, and that was very nice. And that was actually my pre-workout meal. But then after going to my granddad's, I mentioned I wanted to go and try and get my key cut at a locksmith's, and I did actually manage to do that. So before today I've been to like 3 or 4 different places and they haven't had the machine to to cut a car key, or they simply have said, you know, we're not going to cut a key that you bought off the internet because it might damage our tools. But I went to this place which is actually recommended to me by a couple of people called Eden's Locksmiths. If you're local to Coventry, it's in Coventry. Now they did charge me £15, which, you know, the job only takes like, just bear with me a minute, I'm going to try and steady this, I'm driving. Now the job only takes literally like 30 seconds or a minute, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not going to try and go to like a million different places to try and save a little bit of money and waste my time. So yeah, here it is. It's one of the flip keys, managed to get it cut. Obviously £15, but job's done now. I've got the immobilizer chip, the 2 little buttons and the battery to go inside of it, and then it just needs programming then, I think on a piece of software called Opcom, but I actually know a guy who will be able to do that for me, so I'll try and get that done later this month. But yeah, just happy that it's cut now, so job done. Right, like I said, I'm on the way to the gym, just stuck in rush hour traffic now, which is horrible, and yeah, I'll see you when I'm at the gym anyway. Alright then guys, so just put a light on. It's gonna make me look really red. Alright guys, so finished in the gym, had a good workout, obviously a lower legs workout. Not a lower legs workout, a lower slash legs workout. Obviously I'm not just training my calves. Although I do need to focus on training my calves. With that said, I done some deadlifts, sumo deadlifts, hit 3 sets of 3 on 175 kg. That's increased from last week, so that's good. Then went on and done 5 sets of leg press, made some small increases like a rep on each set on those. And then I done some leg press calf raises, made like a rep or 2 gain on those as well. Then ended it with 15 minutes of cardio, just like a light jog on the treadmill. It's like a 1.5 mile jog in about 15 minutes, so does the heart good and keeps me with, you know, relatively good health throughout this bulk. I'm outside the gym now. I've had a shower. I'm gonna go pick the girlfriend up. I'm gonna go buy some food to cook, and then we are going to head to the cinema. Tonight's gonna kind of be our date night. We didn't really get to do anything yesterday. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. I was working late, and yeah, after work pretty much picked up the girlfriend, went to mine, watched Netflix and went to bed. So today is gonna be kind of be our Valentine's Day. So yeah, let's go pick her up and let's go and buy some food to cook. Cheese. Whoa.
What?
Copyright.
Sauce?
Yeah, I'm not like, you know, I have to have at least 10 pre-roll ads to, you know, pay my board to my mum.
You're allowed 10 seconds of a song, and that was like 10.
Yeah, I was going to, well, I did get Fanta Fruit Twist Zero. I was going to get like Pepsi Max because that was on offer. Like this was £2.9. £2.9 for a bottle of bloody water and sweeteners. Right, what we're going to do now?
Go watch a film.
Okay. Right, we're gonna go to the cinema now. We just had, well, I just made us 2 very nice burgers. They were like special Aberdeen Angus burgers from Aldi. And we got some brioche buns as well. Brioche buns are so good. A little bit high in fat, like 5 grams of fat per bun. But like completely, you know, game changer. I toasted them in the pan and then 2 burgers each. And I've literally got like so much like sweets and chocolate and that for the cinema. Probably going to be sick. And yeah, some sugar-free Fanta Fruit Twist. Right, let's go cinema. What are we going to go watch? Quick before we...
What's it called?
I don't know. We'll just, when we go in there, we'll like, that film that starts at 20 past 8. That's what we want to go see.
That film that started five minutes ago.
We'll check in when we've watched the film.
And rate it out of 10.
Yeah.
That's what we like.
Coming soon. Hopefully I don't fall off there. Alright, so went to the cinema. What did we see? Instant Family, was it?
Instant Family.
Instant Family. It's got Mark Wahlberg in and some woman that I've seen in a few of the films before, but I don't know her name.
Rosa Byrne.
Rosa Byrne.
I seen that on the thing when I've tagged it on Facebook.
Oh, okay, right, yeah. So Mark Wahlberg film and Rosa Byrne. Like, it was a comedy. Like, I wouldn't really say it was that funny.
It wasn't hilarious. It wasn't like Kevin Hart hilarious.
Yeah, it wasn't like, it was more, I think it was more like of an emotional film.
Yeah, I did.
Like a comedy.
My eyes did like well up a little bit, like once.
Yeah, I mean, it's basic. Well, I'm obviously not gonna spoil it for anyone who hasn't seen it, but yeah, it's a pretty good film. I'd say like an 8 out of 10.
Oh, I was gonna rate it an 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I would say 8 out of 10. I'd say it's a fair assumption. But yeah, good film. Glad we saw it. We just went back to the girlfriends to put the heat pads in with the guinea pigs because they're not outside. They're in a shed, in a hut inside a shed, which is obviously a bit warmer than, you know, being just outside. But it is going to probably be below 5 degrees tonight, so the heat pads go in the microwave for like 15 minutes and they stay warm for like a couple of hours. Obviously it isn't the best, but it's better than nothing, so that should keep them a little bit warmer.
Well, they've lasted 6 years,
yeah.
So I've had them for 6 winters, so they're doing fine.
Well, you've had one of them for 6 winters.
Yeah.
The other 2 are new. Well, newish this last year. Right, we're gonna go back to my house. I'm gonna finish off the macros. I really haven't got that much left to eat. I ate like loads of chocolate and sweets in the cinema, and tired. And then we're gonna have a fairly early night.
Watch Sex Education
on Netflix. So
we've
funny
only got 3 episodes left.
I know, so funny that program is.
Yeah,
if you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. Sex Education on Netflix. It sounds pretty boring, but
I didn't think we'd like it. I didn't think we'd like it.
It's like it's kind of like The In-Betweeners. It's very like you know, stereotypical teenage boys and girls, what they're thinking,
but not as funny as In-Betweeners.
No, well,
not as funny. Like In-Betweeners, like a 10. This is probably about an 8.
Yeah, definitely worth watching though. Right, let's go back to my house. Alright, so it's actually the next day now. I remembered I didn't end the vlog yesterday. Me and the girlfriend, just another day of grinding. We've been pretty busy today. Today is a Saturday. But I'm not going to continue this vlog any longer. It's gone on long enough, so I'm going to end it here. So hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please give it a like. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in that next video. Peace!